Hi again, everybody. It is Monday, September 19th, 2022. Take a look at the Astro Excel chart for this week. The green line dipped below the zero line on the 13th last week and it's been heading down. It went below -10 on the 15th, bottomed on the 16th and the 18th. Getting a little bit of a pushback up. Right here we're at this pivot high on the blue line and green line. Both lines are in sync for a little downward push up until about 3:30 this afternoon today before they diverge a little bit, and then they kind of both get in sync for a little up push into the early morning, the 20th, around 4 a.m., where they both peak out and dip back down. This is the only spot in the whole week where the green line even pushes above -10. A little bump right here on the 18th and a little bump right here on the 19th, 20th. But we're below -10 all week, which is going to signal that the pressure is going to be mostly downward. Two key pivots in here today at about the 8 o'clock frame, and then the other one is tonight at 8:31 on the blue line. And then as we get into the early morning of the 20th, we have a 4 a.m. strong pivot on the blue line. Moving to the rainbow chart, looking to tie in that early morning blue line potential pivot, which was around the 8 o'clock hour. We've got a window here on the A6 panel, the white window, with the white and the green above it right at the beginning of the window, and then we always have to watch the end of the window. So for key timing in that frame, look at 7:20, 7:30, and 7:45. So somewhere in there is the most likely time to get a significant pivot. If not there, then I'd be looking at this 8:05 frame where we have this green block on the A1 and the white on the A5. The next important timing window comes from 8:45 to 10:08. So we'd be looking for the corresponding A5 trigger point. So you got to watch the beginning of the window always. 8:44. The white block here, 9:13. The green on green here at about 9:20. That's right in front of the open, and then the last one would be at 9:55. So those are the areas you're going to be looking for some pivot changes with that blue line spike at that hour. Now what I would do, I take a look at these times and then I go and look at the Cosmo chart for a key peak or crossing point on the Cosmo, and also I look at the finer, closer look at the Astro Excel tool, not the green and blue line, but at the gray line. So I look at the gray line on the 1 minute chart, and the gray line is going to fine tune these potential times. So that's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow and take a look at the activity then.